How often have you started a new habit such as meditating, journaling, drinking more water, that you plan to do daily and you keep it up for a few days or even a few weeks, but then life gets in the way and eventually it falls by the wayside? Have you ever analysed why that happens? You wanted to do it and you knew it would be good for you in some way. So why did that habit not become automated in your life? Now, if in your mind you were thinking, I should meditate or I should drink more water, that's a red flag. It shows low motivation. When it comes to making a habit automated that you do daily without thinking, you don't want to rely on motivation. The best way of creating a new habit that you can sustain is to make it as tiny as possible. You want to meditate. Instead of ambitiously aiming for 30 minutes of meditation a day, aim for 30 seconds a day. You want to keep a journal. Instead of aiming to write a full page every day, aim just to write a minimum of 10 words after you brush your teeth. You want to drink more water. Instead of aiming for 2 litres every day, aim to drink a glass of water after a meal. If you make your habits really small, you have far more chance of succeeding. When you fail to do a habit, it is really demoralizing. And each time you feel you failed yourself, there is less chance of that habit becoming automated. Make the habit so small that you cannot fail. Then, aim to do that habit after something you always do on a daily basis without having to think. For example, I'm guessing that you brush your teeth twice a day. Then you could aim to meditate after you brush your teeth for just 30 seconds. Do you make yourself a cup of tea or coffee every day? So maybe you could write 10 words in your diary as the kettle is boiling. I'm guessing you eat every day. So add in a habit of drinking some water after you finish 1 or 2 of your meals. Might be easy for you to add into your life. The easier it is to do, the more likely you are to do it. And if you set yourself the target of doing it after something that you always do every day, it's more likely you'll remember to do it every day. Now, if you would like some help with creating a habit or a couple of habits, every week I run a free 5-day program and coach you through the elements of making a habit automatic. You'll find the link to the free 5-day program below. I'm a certified Tiny Habits coach. You may have heard of the book Tiny Habits. And the 5-day program is part of the Tiny Habits methodology. So sign up today and let me help you do the things you want to do and make them automated.